Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat ka Jylla Arunachal Pradesh ubidi Mishra, ula Bamsmai kum ulat uba petlang ya ka Jylla Meghalaya, hagas ni baar harach bhavan hakapor shipho baje menstem. Ka jing shimti Mishra ban petlang ya ka Jylla Meghalaya, kadai hadian balakot no ka samoy trei kam ulat bapura ka Jylla usatya pal maling. Justice HS thank you ubade unang bishar ka Meghalaya High Court, ula Bamsmai ulat hagajing don lang ki he ki han baat ki officer bapher ka sorkar pdeng kam shimla penjalan ya ka samoy trei kam jong umaling hakaba ka president kari ka Draupadi Murmu kalathung yo ubidi Mishra banpet kum ulat ka Meghalaya nalor ka Arunachal Pradesh.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Articles 155 and 160 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, to discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this first day of October in the year 2022, 9th Asvisna 1944 Saka, in the 73rd year of the Republic of India.
It's not my first visit. I had come here long time back in 1971 war. This was one Kamzor area, and then we participated in the war and defeated Pakistan. It's a wonderful place, wonderful people, so good, it's so clean. I'm impressed, and I thank you all. Every person from Shillong, every person from Meghalaya.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.